In and out! Yeah!
Alright, how are you gonna find parking?
I think we should not go in there. I think we should park on the street.
That's drive-through. That's a drive-through.
It is drive-through. I googled this place already.
Yeah. But, I mean, the long line is the drive-through.
Yes, that is. I looked well ahead in case we did come here. I was like, okay, we don't go that way. What the f is up with this chick?
What the hell?
Is she attacking us? What the f is she doing? Dude, she's like trying to push off people.
What the hell is she doing?
What the f is she doing?
She just jumped on the back of Brandon's bike. That's what she just did. This is LA, guys?
You attacking my friends?
Look at this guy. You're talking to my friend. I'm a robot.
That's my best friend. That's best friend.
Oh, I gotta be cool with the best friend then.
Yeah, I'm just teasing you.
You alright?
Crazy.
You slide the bike over there.
True love is right in front of you. You won't even look true love in the eye.
Brandon, you gotta park your bike. I'm
trying to, bro. Is she your friend?
True love.
Probably got her.
Look at me.
I am looking at you.
You're so scared. Why are you scared of love? Why is everyone scared of love in this city?
I'm not.
Your bike.
Let's get that, Brandon.
This is an illusion. This right here is me and you. But you left it for this. Piece of shit.
I'll leave anything for this.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg. Welcome to Hollywood.